Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind I will share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Nebesua se beye cow meat lice soup. Yes, how soup na me taste yen. It tastes really nice. It's eno na ye beye. Afenso ubetimi I am our loved one for this Christmas. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Over the description box na ingredients ni na ye de ewo ho. Yes, start all the carrots ni onion begu saucepan mu. Uwe a odi nso kakra ye de aka ho. Wakata so. Na odi akwesi ja so ama na ben. Ebempe na watwe. Wasoni su ensuo no na de gu ade a be blendi wom wudi nso kakra ye den egu mu na wa blend ni na together we na de si nchen na ya ba ye nam so we ye cow meat wudi be gu sauce pan wo be ye wom wudi chop onion agu mu breaded onion, garlic, ginger, anise, rosemary and bell pepper. We now the tomato paste kakra ka ho, all pepper seasoning, beef seasoning, salt to taste. O the blended pepper aka ho. We are ready to kakra den aka ho. What mixing na together. Now the akwesi ja so ama nestima. Wo ho an we bie so no wanum se ni nyina ebe season ye. Ahano aye ready. Now the carrot mixture na eden egu mu. Now the ensuo so e de aka ho. Ensuo ni gida Nkwan dodo a wo ye. What garnishing with pepper, carrots and okro. Na we jesi so ama na to ne boy de aben. Ba ese eja no lo ni kakra. Wo ho a no wa check. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Ahano akakra na aye ready. Aye ready. Na watwe na waserve. Wunya ofufo na oda ka ho e de edi. Yep matcho se ndi kan a wo hwe video a. Mema rem subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. No emi notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa sabeka. Me ye Nkwan we na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. And you can also add this to your Christmas menu. Now this is our cow meat lice soup. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.